Hi guys, I'm Max. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're again going to be featuring the Scirocco R, but today we're going to focus on the resonator delete from the outside. First of all, I'm sorry for the super dirty car. I know I washed it in the last video. I've obviously washed it since, but here in Denmark it gets really dirty really quickly. But come around, I'll show you the exhaust. Again, sorry it's so dirty. It looks completely standard, but we'll show you what it sounds like from the outside, so you can hear that the resonator delete actually makes a massive difference to what the car sounds like, and how the overall impression of the car is changed. So, without further ado, why don't we jump in and go for a little drive. Luckily I've got my two pals with me today that are helping me with the filming, so hopefully we're going to get some good clips of it from the outside so you guys can hear it as well as possible with the resonator delete. First of all, let's try a startup.